Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix internet or Wi-Fi issues on Windows 11 using two quick and effective methods. If your connection is acting up or you're having trouble getting online, this guide should help you out. So let's get right into it. So guys, go to your search bar and type in Tmendadstras. When command prompt shows up, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following command: msdt.exe-d Network Diagnostics Network Adapter. Hit Enter. This will open the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Just click on Next and wait for the scan to complete. If it detects any issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Now, if that didn't solve your issue, don't worry, we've got another method. Still in the command prompt window, type the following two commands one by one, pressing ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. This will reset your IP address and can help resolve connectivity problems. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. These methods should help fix most basic Wi-Fi or internet issues on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions or if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.